After the success of the popular Seltos and the Carnival, Kia has unveiled its third car in India, the Sonet compact SUV. The car was showcased in its global premiere in India. The car will be manufactured in Kias Anantapur plant in Andhra Pradesh and will be exported globally. Welcome back to the channel guys, you're watching The Consumer Jockey, and in this video we're going to talk about everything we know about the Kia Sonet. So let's dig in. The Kia Sonet comes with the moniker Wild by design and has been said to take the design inspiration from the baby elephant. To complement the inspiration, the car has a muscular and elongated hood that gives the car a visually bigger appearance. Even the bumper is nice and muscular to match the hood. It also has an elongated sloping A-pillar to lend it a big car appearance. The wheel arches are muscular too, to match and fit the chunky 16-inch alloy wheels. Of course, the front look would not be complete without Kia's signature tiger nose grille, which also gets chrome accents. Kia calls the newly designed LEDs Heartbeat DRL, which also houses the turn indicators. The design on the grille is inspired by the Chandbauri stepwell in Rajasthan. The rear looks neat with a pseudo wraparound glass and Heartbeat LED tail lamps. The Sonet features a fully digital instrument cluster, vertical air vents and a 10.2-inch touchscreen infotainment system. The car also comes equipped with a first-in-class virus protection air purifier. The car also gets ventilated front seats. Like the Seltos, the Sonet 2 gets front and back parking sensors. It also gets a 7-speaker Bose system in the top trims. The Seltos will be available in 3 engine options. Firstly, a 1.2-litre petrol engine, a 1-litre turbo GDI petrol engine, and a powerful 1.5-litre diesel CRDI engine. The 1.2-litre petrol engine will be mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, whereas the 1-litre turbo petrol engine will be mated to a 6-speed manual transmission or a 7-speed DCT. The 1.5-litre diesel engine will be mated to a 6-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic gearbox. There is also a new intelligent manual transmission gearbox which will be mated to the petrol engine. The highlight of this Sonet is its GT line, which is a sportier version of the car and gets red accents all around, including the brake calipers, the front grille with the GT line patching, leather wheel with red stitching, leather sports seats with red stitching, and red stitching on the gear lever. The sports pedals are also exclusive only to the GT line. The car is also equipped with 57 connected features which can be operated via Kia's UO app from your smartphone or smartwatch. The Kia Sonet is set to launch in early September and currently there is no clarity on the price. However, we can expect it to be priced similar to the Hyundai Venue, which will be between 7 to 12 lakhs. That's all for this video guys. Stay tuned to the channel for more information when the Sonet hits the showrooms. Do subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when that video comes out. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stay blessed and I'll see you in the next one.